Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Bacon grease container. Safe material. The grease container and the tray are made of wrought iron with non-stick coating. The fine mesh strainer is made of stainless steel, and the handle is made of Bakelite. Food-grade material, keep oil healthy. Filtration function. The removable strainer is fine enough to filter out debris, food particles, and impurities from the oil. Keep you cleaner and healthier cooking oil. The anti-slip coaster tray will prevent oil spill onto the countertop. Perfect designed cooking oil container. There is a lid on the grease collector, which will stop the dust falling into the oil. Small outlet design works well to prevent any leakage. High temperature resistance and rust resistant. OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper. Chopping veggies has never been easier. Meet the OXO Good Grips Vegetable Chopper, your new kitchen essential. With a sharp stainless steel blade, it dices onions, peppers, and more in seconds. No more tears, no more mess, just quick and even chopping. The non-slip base keeps it steady for safe use. Plus, it's compact and easy to clean. Perfect for meal prep and saving time in the kitchen. Whether you're making salsa, salads, or stir-fries, this chopper does it all. Ready to chop like a pro? Get yours today. Bread slicer. Unique creative upgrade. This bread slicer with bread box adopts pull-out cutting board removable design. When using it, you need to pull out the cutting board close to the cutting board, which is convenient to pull out the cutting board, and the cutting board can bring the sliced bread into the bread box smoothly, avoiding touching the bread by hand and saving the time, and the practical design lets you enjoy a seamless bread-making experience. Multifunctional bread box. In order to better use with our pull-out bread slicer, we have a 9-liter large-capacity bread box for you. It is made of transparent premium makings. Soup ladle. Your beast friend. From the Ototo studio comes cute and functional Nessie. Scoop from the depths of the pot and serve into bowls of fun with this purple ladle spoon. Nessie, the nifty spoon, always adds a bit of fun into every kitchen. A quirky little treat. Looking for new home gift ideas for your loved ones or funny kitchen gadgets to add to your collection? Nessie ladle design adds the kitsch to every kitchen. Serve soups, gravies, and more with this cute kitchen gadget friend. A Nessie Sari tool. Get crackin' with fun kitchen gadgets like Nessie, your soup ladle friend. This beast can take the heat with its heat-resistant and dishwasher-safe material. Kitchen tongs. Top quality. Hotech kitchen tongs are constructed with high-quality stainless steel, sturdy, heat resistance, anti-rust, anti-corrosion, lightweight, easy to handle, like new forever. This tongs for cooking comes with 2 sizes, 9-inch and 12-inch. Food safe, carbon-free certified. Easy to store. These kitchen tongs have locking mechanism, pull the ring for lock and push for unlock. Super easy operation. Hang them with the hanging loop after use or put in the drawer by pulling the ring to lock it. Space saving. Engineering for safety. Updated new design pattern for the handle. Better protects your hands from cutting by the edge when you grip the handle. Easy to control the handle and to eliminate wobbling and any risk of burning your hands. Vacuum sealer. Simple one-touch sealing. Easily seal your food with the dry or moist buttons. Just press to vacuum and seal dry or moist foods with this vacuum sealer machine. Perfect for preserving meats, vegetables, fruits, and more. This food vacuum sealer keeps your items fresh longer. Precision for delicate foods. Need extra care? The pulse button gives you precise control over vacuuming soft or delicate items like chips or baked goods, ensuring they stay intact. With this food sealer vacuum sealer, you can preserve your food's texture and flavor with confidence. External canister vacuuming. Expand your sealing options with the external vac button to vacuum seal food in canisters. Whether it's liquids, snacks, or smaller items, this vacuum sealer for food handles it all. No need for bulky freezer bags. Dash Mini Rice Cooker. More than rice. Oatmeal, stew, soup, quinoa, rice, and pasta. The 2-cup capacity allows for healthier portion control or individual quick and easy breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, or sides. Quick plus easy. Sep time is minutes. Simply add water and your uncooked rice, pasta, or veggies and press the cook button. Your steamed meal or side is ready in less than 20 minutes with less cleanup. Keep warm function. Updated with a keep warm function and indicator light. Pizza cutter rocker. Premium quality. Made of food-grade 430 stainless steel blade and PP cover. The pizza rocker knife is incredibly sharp. The whole steel plate is integrated to make no welding, no falling off. Not easy to deform and rust. Unique double handles design. The pizza knife adopt the ergonomic double wood handle, helps you cut pizza quickly and comfortably without causing any discomfort to your wrist. The unique double handles make it comfortable in hand and save strength. Curved blade design. Curved sharp blade and arc design makes stress concentration of force, allows you to cut the pizzas easily in one move smoothly. Knife sharpener. 3-step knife sharpener. With our incredible 3-slot system, we're revolutionizing the art of knife sharpening. The first diamond sharpening rod repairs and straightens damaged blades before the second slot sharpens to restore its V shape. Finally, the third slot fine-tunes for a clean polish. Easy to use. Whether you're right or left-handed, the ergonomic handle allows you to restore your cooking knives in a matter of seconds. Simply place the blade in each of the slots and gently pull the knife through a few times for fast, effective sharpening. Cut-resistant glove included. At Kitchalence, we put the safety of our customers above all else. Designed with a non-slip base, our kitchen knife sharpener offers comfortable control while you work. We're even including a cut-resistant glove for added safety. Dish towels. Feature. Size. 28 by 16 cm, 11.2 by 6 inches. Material. Coral velvet. Package. 12-pack kitchen towels. The 12-pack provides you an ample microfiber cleaning cloths towels for all your household needs in daily life. Ultra-absorbent. These dish towels are made of high-quality coral velvet thickening material. They are lightweight, super absorbent, and dry quickly. The Kimteni Classic kitchen towels are lint-free and absorb fluids quickly and efficiently for any tasks. Machine washable, easily to be washed. They are washable for both hand and machine. The dish-drying towels maintain an excellent quality even after multiple washes, will resist shrinking and minimize lint. You could use these dish towels over and over again. Mixing bowls. Premium material. Each bowl is made of high-quality, heavy-gauge stainless steel, which is resistant and rust-proof. Umite Chef mixing bowls feature a mirror finish interior and fingerprint-proof exterior. High-quality, food-grade stainless steel. You and your family can use it with peace of mind. Larger bowl sizes. Our stainless bowls, deeper than standard bowl sets, allow for larger servings. This set contains sizes 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.5, 7 quarts. That gives you much more flexibility and less mess. Satisfy your demands for mixing large batters, tossing salads, washing vegetable, marinating and storing, etc.